So early in my career, when I was already fully trained, I was already a clinical professor, I was already training residents and fellows and medical students, someone very close to me had to undergo a barium enema. She told me what happened to her, and I was appalled what I heard. They're strapped to a table with a tube in their rectum, and they're turned upside down so the dye will penetrate throughout the colon, and they're taking x-rays. I'm listening to this procedure, I'm thinking, I can't believe that we actually do this to people. And as a physician who's fully trained in the best places, I was shell-shocked that how is it possible that we were trained to do this test, but we are not taught how the test is done and what patients go through to get the test done. So from that moment on, I realized that there is a gap in our education, and not enough is focused on the patient side of it. So I thought of this idea of creating an award called the Eitz Chaim Tree of Life Award of Compassionate Care. Anyone who's in patient care is eligible for the award. So it's not just doctors, it's social workers, it's psychologists, it's physician's assistants, it's nurses. It can be anyone who provides healthcare. I definitely wanted to leave a legacy here at USC because this is an important place where I trained and where I became a doctor and where I continue to work. But my daughter also went to school here, undergraduate, and she actually became a social worker. But it's important for me to pass on this legacy to future generations. Been here almost 16 years. It's a real family feeling. I don't know how to describe it other than you feel part of you're a small part of a much larger organization, and we're all working together to promote education, promote health, promote, it's what I call goodness. I mean, goodness to me is, in the end, what our role is in the world at large, and I think USC is at the forefront of promoting that.